Alright, I've got all these camcorders surrounding me, charging up to see which one has the best picture. In front of you here is my frequency generator number 4. I've installed it into a new circuit box I made from recycling 90mm diameter PVC storm water pipes. I've also expanded it so I can switch in about 12 capacitors for 12 different frequency outputs. Now, one of the electrodes here is running to a copper modified Rochelle salt crystal field. These Rochelle salt crystals contain images from extraterrestrials, whatever I could capture when I took photos of them. I melt them down and I pour them into the copper pipes. So they're full of Rochelle salt crystals with information. The other one here's got magnets in it. Right, now one of the outputs of this frequency generator runs to the MT1 input of the bottom pulsar circuit. That's also modified and upgraded too. I've got about 6 capacitors there, so I can switch any capacitor in for various timed outputs, you know, like pulse time adjust, so on. Right, so while I hold one electrode, which is plugged into the output of that, the other output goes to the input of the pulsar circuit, the AC frequency pulsar circuit, and from that one there I've got the other electrode. See? So one half of the AC signal gets pulsed at various rates and times, as you can see there, how I got it here, and on that one there too. Right, now over here I'll fix my DSO scope to a wooden base so it won't fall over under its own weight, it'll stay standing. So that's good there. Over here I have rewound my 2 scalar beam magnet setups, so I can try and replicate that past experiment there, where I can run a frequency generator for it this time, a pulse one, and tune the magnetic field outputs to affect electronics. Okay, so that's about it now for this update here. Thank you for watching my latest update.